Silver has a noisy early part of the Monday session. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The back and forth action of silver in the early part of the Monday session suggests that perhaps we are not quite ready to take off to the upside, and that does make a certain amount of sense considering that traders really have to deal with a lot of different cross currents at the same time. After all, we have a lot of momentum to the upside that's recently been into the market, but we also have to pay close attention to the $50 level, because the $50 level, of course, is an area that has a lot of psychology attached to it. And when you look at the longer term chart, the $50 level is an area that a lot of people will be hesitant to get too aggressive towards, just due to the fact that it had been so important multiple times going over decades. That being said, last week we did fall pretty significantly, only to turn around at the 50-day EMA. If the market were to break down below the $47 level, it could test the 50-day EMA again. But really, this is starting to, you can't really say it yet, that's the catch, but it is starting to look a lot like a market that is trying to form a top. We got that really impulsive move a couple of weeks ago, only to see a pretty significant sell-off. Now the question is, where does this high go? If this high, especially if it can't break 50, I think that's a bad sign and we go looking to $40. In the meantime, the best thing for those who are bullish to silver is to go sideways. You want to stick around between $47 and $50. You do not want an impulsive move to the upside, because there's a real chance it doesn't have enough volume to sustain that. It is worth noting that recently volume has fallen off of a cliff. Was this distribution? It's looking more and more like that, although I don't think it's safe to start shorting quite yet. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.